Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by confirming the essentials so you can act with confidence. First, check power and fuses. A dead supply mimics mechanical failure. Once done, open the feed path and clear any paper jams. Remove rollers and peelers gently to avoid damage. Make sure the label roll is oriented correctly and the adhesive side matches the peeler direction, because incorrect orientation causes misfeeds. These first actions reveal whether the problem is electrical, mechanical, or supply-related, and set you up for deep. Now you focus on alignment and calibration, which fix most mid-process failures. Inspect and adjust the sensor or photo eye. Move it slightly and test until it reliably detects label gaps, because incorrect sensing causes miscuts. Then address roller tension. Too loose and you get slippage, too tight and you deform labels. Once tension is correct, align the peeler plate and guides. Add thin shims if labels track off. During these steps, run short test feeds repeatedly to confirm progressive improvement. Finish by validating the complete workflow so you know the machine is reliable. Run a 10-label test and watch every step: feed, print, cut, and peel, so you catch intermittent issues. Then confirm firmware and settings. Printing speed, head heat, and sensor thresholds can affect registration and adhesive behavior, so adjust cautiously. If problems persist, document the error pattern and replace or swap one component at a time. This isolates the fault without introducing new variables and speeds accurate repair.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.